I've been trading for already 1 year and some couple days, and I'm gonna tell you how the story went for my trading journey as trading for already 1 whole year. My name is Andre, and I've been trading 1 year, and it's been there. There's been some ups and downs, and I just wanted to sit down and talk about the trading journey, um, what was going on, and all of that. So, and I'm mostly doing this for myself because I want to see how I am going to go from here on out as I've been already trading for 1 year, 1 whole year. And yeah, so let's get to it. Um, so basically, the first 3 months were learning process. The first month was me fully just learning all the confluences. I mean, I was still learning the confluence throughout the like 6 months, I would say. Um, I don't know why, but the most hardest confluence for me was liquidity sweep. I have no clue why, but that was just the hardest one. And so I've been just like learning the confluence mostly, like a ton of them the first month, and then the second month I was looking for a strategy. Third month I was looking for a strategy, and I was doing a couple strategies at once just to look for them and everything. And I came out to TGR strategy, which like I love his confluence videos. Everything's great about him. But like his strategy, especially for beginners, is like too complicated. But at that time, I thought the more complicated it is, the more things you put in the market, the more you will be a winner. And that's really not the case. But I'll go to it more into that later in the video. So the first 3 months, I just was um, trading and doing that strategy, TGR strategy, and it was just not clicking for me. Like it wasn't just the first 3 months, but I'll get more into it. So after the 3 months, I was like I'm a Christian, so I prayed about trading, but I didn't really want to tell God like it's gonna sound dumb, but I didn't want to tell God like, oh, is this for me? I was just asking Him to help me. But the thing is, there was once I came to a prayer, and then I just told Him, if this is for me, tell me. If not, I'm gonna stop. And keep in mind, this was after 3 months of trading already. Um, so it sounds like a lot, and well, it for me it was a lot, but it would be better sooner or later than later. So once I said that in that same prayer, a couple minutes later, like a prophet came over, and then we know them really good. We know her really good, and I had the word that if you obey, you'll have this. So it was like a yes from God if I was obeying. But other than that, I kept on moving forward with trading, but I spent 1 month off of trading. So after that prayer, I spent 1 month off of trading, just focusing on obeying and everything, um, which was a good thing for me. Um, so I spent 1 month off, which we are now at 4 months into trading. My sixth, fifth and sixth month, I was just like, I got back the fifth month, right? And then I was still doing TGR strategy, still learning some confluences here and there, hopping over to a different strategy, support demand strategy. Then I was learning some like first 5 minute, first 5 minute of market open strategy, breakout, whatever it was. I think yeah, and but mostly I've been trading TGR strategy, and it was just like not clicking because it was just a lot of information at once. Not at once, but like it was already 6 months, right? But it was still a lot of information, and for someone that just did not know anything, that's quite a bit, and it never clicked for me. Still hasn't. Like I feel like you have to make trading the simplest possible. I mean, no complaints about the strategy. It works for him because he understands it. It works for TGR because he understands it. It doesn't work for me because I don't understand the way he looks in the market, because everyone has their own perspective as they look in the market. But as half a year already went by, I was like, okay, I'm already doing this for half a year. There's no progress. And but keep in mind, I still didn't mention this, but that time, my my parents were like, all right, supportive. They were like, you got this, I guess. But some of my friends were not really supportive. Uh, but like, I did not care, to be honest. And I also was, I'm pretty sure at that time I already started making TikToks and stuff. But like, honestly, I did not care, because I was watching videos every day. I was dedicating myself every single day. I did not care what anybody said about trading. And that got me through it good. And basically, it was already 7, 8, and then at the ninth month, I was still learning TGR strategy, but sometimes I was hopping over to this different strategy, but most of it was TGR strategy. It was not clicking for me, because like, I thought that you need to go step by step in those, like, after this confluence, go to this confluence step by step, and you make $1 million, right? I was even at psychology. I was even at risk management yet, and keep in mind that was already. I went to 9 months, and I wasn't even at risk management or psychology part, because I was still paper trading. At the 9 month, uh, at 9 months, my friend, um, Bogdan, he came in. We were trading together, and he helped me out a lot by waking up more often, because I was kind of being lazy with trading. So he was helping me waking up every morning, and since that ninth month mark, I haven't missed a single trade, well, like single day, except if there was like some uh, I don't know, holiday or anything like that. But yeah, he really got me back on track, like really good. Cause I was like doing it, but then I was like, some days I was like, all right, I'm gonna sleep in. But he really got me back on track, which for me that was a big thing. And I also was teaching him some stuff, like basically everything. But yeah, so that was the 9 month. It came 10 month, 10th month, and I think at the 10th month was the hardest. Let me check. I have. Oh, there it is. Uh, okay, so January, which is one, two. All right. So basically, this was around. Yeah. So this was the 9th month, right here. This is the 9th month, which was January. Let me show you guys. Yeah, that was horrible. I started journaling it. Let me actually show you guys better. As you see, um, horrible. I had like 3 losing weeks, 1 winning week, and that 1 winning week was only $178, and all those 3 losing weeks were way more than that. And my win rate was 35%, and this was January, right? I ended the month at negative 3,556, and this was the month where I bought my first funded account, which was my worst month yet in trading. And as you see, first month of funded account, worst month yet in trading. Why? Well, because all that greed, all that money that I was thinking, like, it all came in, all that psychology I needed to learn, it all went into this 1 month. It was like I was building, building, building. As I was building that, I bought a funded account, and then so much new things I had to learn, and then I hit basically rock bottom, fully hit rock bottom. I really wanted to like quit. I even told my friend Bogdan, I was like, bro, I'm probably gonna quit. The only thing that was keeping me alive was like I couldn't quit. I just couldn't quit. At the weekends, it's always like this. So Friday, it was like, alright, bro, I don't know. but it's like I'm for real. I really just wanted to quit. It was so bad. It was that bad. But when Friday hit, I was like, it was bad. And then Saturday, Sunday, I was like, all right, I can't quit. I learned too much because all those TikToks, they keep me motivated. All those YouTube videos I watch keep me motivated. But that was so bad. 35% win rate that month. All that just came on me. Um, and then I had to change something. Once I saw this month, once I saw this really bad month, I knew something had to change. Something had to change. And I was like, okay, so what could change then? So I went over to PB trading and PB Blake style of trading, and I hated going on the lower time frames, like 1, 2, 3 minute time frames. I did not like to go on that. Well, I don't even know if I didn't even find 4 minute, but whatever. 1, 2, 3 minute time frames. I hate going on there, and basically, I still watch the video because what is there to lose? And as I watched it, they made trading really simple. And one thing PB Trading said was make trading as simple as possible as you can, and you really have to understand. And the thing that he said right there, you really have to understand why the market would come here and then go there, or why the market would go there then go here. There is always a reason for that, and you need to understand how to know that. That changed everything. That one piece of advice I had from that YouTube video was like, it changed everything. Before I even show you the next month, like, I was so cooked this month. I was about to quit, and once I watched that video, I was like, okay, he's making trading so simple. Get this gap, inverse the next, bam. And then I was like, okay, well, I'll try it. And I was like, I'm not gonna do a lot of money. I'm not gonna risk a lot of money, but yeah, there's still some fouls in that right now. But still, I'm getting way better with that. I'm just gonna do what he tells me and see if it works out. And guess what? The next month, which is February, which also is my birthday there, this is the next month. Oh my gosh, that's funny. This is the next month, which is February. Look at that. Like, going from this 35% win rate, 3 losing weeks, and then 1 winning week, which is only $100 something, to going to this 3 winning weeks and 1 losing week. And that 1 losing week is because I was on my last day on an eval, and I got too excited, too greedy, and yeah, the first week was all green, second week, third week, and fourth week was all green. Look at that. 78.5% win rate. I ended the month with 2,749, and to me that was like, I wasn't like, yeah, I was happy about myself, but I didn't want it to take over my emotions, and I was like really like chill about it, and I'm still chill about it because I need to see like 1 more month, and then I'm like, okay, bet, or I need to see a payout, cause like, yes, we've been doing this for this long, and I believe it, but then I need a payout just to prove it. Like, I know this is real, but when you're doing this for a certain long period of time, you just need proof. Like, you just need that payout. And when that payout hits, I know I'm gonna have the most confidence ever. I'm gonna trade good. But yeah, as you see, those 2 days, even these 2 days were not good for me. Even though they were green, it doesn't matter. They were not good for me because I risked too much on this, which if I lose 1,000, I can't lose 1,000. It's for everybody, it's different. I could lose $200 to $300, yes, I'll accept that. But accepting $1,000, no, I'm not gonna accept that. So even though I made $1,000 on a winning day, I still count it as bad. But yeah, 78.5% win rate. That's just like wild. And also, if you're watching this, if you're like down there, just remember that your time is really close, especially if you're going down really fast, because I never thought that I'm gonna go from this month, from this stat to this. Like, let's be for real. That's crazy, you know. But I still need like a payout or another month like this. I mean, this week was pretty bad, which because of the Iran war. I got three actually. This one is red too, but I just didn't mark it out. 3 losing days, which is unfortunate, but it's mostly because of the war and stuff. The price action was bad, except today was good, and I didn't trade today because I was like, I need to take a break, but that's totally fine. That's just gonna refresh my brain and everything. But yeah, so right now I'm in 1 year, which is 12 months and couple days. 2 days. So yeah, 12 months and 2 days in trading. And I'm just telling you, if you guys stay disciplined, yes, I didn't have a payout yet, but so far my stats are looking great, and it's because the only reason my stats are this good or pretty good, is because I just have to understand why the market would go a certain way. And if you're having trouble with strategies, then just understand, why would the market ever go there? Well, first of all, we understand that market has to fill gaps, market has to sweep, market has to break structure. Okay? Perfect. Make it simple. Make it as simple as possible. Once it fills a 1 hour or 4 hour or 30 minute or 15 minute or 5 minute gap, and then inverses like a 5 to 1 minute inverse, then simply take the trade, you know? And that's really crazy that it took me 1 whole year, but it was a long journey. Um, right now, it's pretty bad, like with my close ones, with trading, because, like, you know, against me, but it's just, I know it's gonna be like that, but yeah. So, yeah, I took like a bunch of notes and stuff, and it's paying out. I believe it's paying out, and especially that payout. I feel like it's coming. My trading journal and everything. And so this message is for like my 1 year of trading, and I have a message that just don't quit. I was really close to quitting, and I really wanted to quit, but just don't quit. Like literally, it's coming faster than you think. Um, and just stay disciplined and try to do your best, or not try, but do your best. And yeah, so that is my 1 year of day trading, and how I got through it, all my upsides and downsides. I didn't really talk too much about my downsides, but there was a lot of downsides. It was bad, but once you get over it, you'll be chilling. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I will be posting a lot more. Basically every day, every trade I take, I'll be posting. So if you want to follow along, follow. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on another trading day.